I wake up early. I wake up early. I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. I get out of bed. I feel fresh today. I feel fresh today. I go to the bathroom. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I smile at myself. I take a shower. I take a shower. The water is warm. The water is warm. I dry my hair. I dry my hair. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. I feel ready now. I feel ready now. I go to the kitchen. I go to the kitchen. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat slowly. I eat slowly. Breakfast tastes good. Breakfast tastes good. I feel hungry no more. I feel hungry no more. I clean the table. I clean the table. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I check the time. I check the time. I am on time. I am on time. I check time. I check time. I check time. I check time. My family greets me. My family greets me. I check bow. Good morning. I check bow morning. My mother smiles. My mother smiles. My father reads the news. My father reads the news. I help at home. I help at home. I sweep the floor. I sweep the floor. I arrange the chairs. I arrange the chairs. I keep things clean. I keep things clean. The house looks neat. The house looks neat. I feel happy at home. I feel happy at home. I talk to my family. I talk to my family. We talk calmly. We talk calmly. We share ideas. We share ideas. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I speak politely. I speak politely. I respect my elders. I respect my elders. My family supports me. My family supports me. I feel safe here. I feel safe here. I drink tea. I drink tea. Tea is hot. Tea is hot. I enjoy the taste. I enjoy the taste. I relax for a while. I relax for a while. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I feel calm now. I feel calm now. I leave my house. I leave my house. I lock the door. I lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. The road is busy. The road is busy. I wait for the bus. I wait for the bus. The bus arrives soon. The bus arrives soon. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I find a seat. I sit quietly. I sit quietly. I look outside. I look outside. I see many people. I see many people. I listen to music. I listen to music. Music feels relaxing. Music feels relaxing. I reach my place. I reach my place. I get down safely. I get down safely. I walk inside. I walk inside. I greet my friends. I greet my friends. They greet me back. They greet me back. I start my work. I start my work. I focus on my task. I focus on my task. I learn new things. I learn new things. Learning feels good. Learning feels good. I ask questions. I ask questions. I get answers. I get answers. I feel confident. I feel confident. The day goes well. The day goes well. I finish my work. I finish my work. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I leave the place. I leave the place. I go back home. I go back home. I feel tired. I feel tired. I rest for some time. I rest for some time. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I eat dinner. I eat dinner. Dinner is tasty. Dinner is tasty. I talk with family. I talk with family. We share our day. We share our day. I feel relaxed. I feel relaxed. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I learn new words. I learn new words. I practice English. I practice English. Practice helps me. Practice helps me. I feel proud. I feel proud. I plan for tomorrow. I plan for tomorrow. I feel hopeful. I feel hopeful. I go to bed. I go to bed. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I sleep peacefully. I sleep peacefully. I arrive at my place. I arrive at my place. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I open my notebook. I open my notebook. I take my pen. I take my pen. I read the first page. I read the first page. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I follow the lesson. I follow the lesson. I write simple notes. I write simple notes. I understand the topic. I understand the topic. I ask a question. I ask a question. The teacher answers me. The teacher answers me. I feel clear now. I feel clear now. I practice again. I practice again. Practice makes me better. Practice makes me better. I stay focused. I stay focused. I finish one task. I finish one task. I start the next task. I start the next task. I manage my time. I manage my time. I work calmly. I work calmly. I help my friend. I help my friend. My friend thanks me. My friend thanks me. I feel good inside. I feel good inside. I drink some water. I drink some water. I feel fresh again. I feel fresh again. I step outside. I step outside. The weather is nice. The weather is nice. The sky looks blue. The sky looks blue. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. I watch the road. I watch the road. I cross carefully. I cross carefully. I reach the shop. I reach the shop. I buy small items. I buy small items. I pay the money. I pay the money. I get the change. I get the change. I thank the shopkeeper. I thank the shopkeeper. I carry the bag. I carry the bag. The bag is light. The bag is light. I return home. I return home. I open the door. I open the door. I keep my shoes outside. I keep my shoes outside. I wash my hands. I wash my hands. I feel relaxed now. I feel relaxed now. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair. I take a deep breath. I take a deep breath. I enjoy the moment. I enjoy the moment. I look around. I look around. Everything feels peaceful. Everything feels peaceful. I smile softly. I smile softly. I feel happy. I feel happy. Evening time begins. Evening time begins. The sun goes down. The sun goes down. The sky changes color. The sky changes color. I switch on the light. I switch on the light. I wash my face. I wash my face. I drink some tea. I drink some tea. Tea feels relaxing. Tea feels relaxing. I talk with my family. I talk with my family. We share our stories. We share our stories. I listen carefully. I listen carefully. I speak slowly. I speak slowly. We laugh together. We laugh together. I feel connected. I feel connected. I help in the kitchen. I help in the kitchen. I cut vegetables. I cut vegetables. I cook food. I cook food. The food smells good. The food smells good. I set the table. I set the table. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. We eat together. We eat together. Food tastes delicious. Food tastes delicious. I eat slowly. I eat slowly. I drink water. I drink water. I feel satisfied. I feel satisfied. I thank everyone. I thank everyone. Nighttime comes. Nighttime comes. I clean the table. I clean the table. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I keep things neat. I keep things neat. I feel responsible. I feel responsible. I change my clothes. I change my clothes. I sit on my bed. I sit on my bed. I read a book. I read a book. The book is easy. The book is easy. I learn new words. I learn new words. I practice English. I practice English. Practice helps me grow. Practice helps me grow. I think about today. I think about today. Today was good. Today was good. I feel thankful. I feel thankful. I plan for tomorrow. I plan for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be better. Tomorrow will be better. I switch off the light. I switch off the light. I lie down. I lie down. I close my eyes. I close my eyes. I breathe slowly. I breathe slowly. My body relaxes. My body relaxes. My mind feels calm. My mind feels calm. I fall asleep. I fall asleep. I sleep peacefully. I sleep peacefully.